Hello friends, today's topic consolidation, consolidation and consolidation. Then what happened? I am Dr. Bharat Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. Blue chips are stocks of companies which have a very good long track record of doing well in the stock market. They are considered to be amongst the safest stocks. However, safety does not mean that their stock price does not fall. Also, in many periods, stock price would not have fallen but might have been stagnant for a long time. In this video, we are sharing 4 examples of when blue chip stocks have been almost stagnant or consolidating for many years in spite of improving business performance and fundamentals. First one is HUL, Hindustan Unilever. April 2006, it was 290. May 2011, 306. Consolidation for 3.5 years. Today, October 2023, it is 2495. Now the financials in front of you. March 2010, the net profit was 2165 crores. March 2011, net profit 2307 crores. March 2012, the net profit was 2800 crores and the sales also almost lingering at the same level. Now HUL stock returns 2007 to 2011 1.08%, 2012 to 2023 18.31%, 2007 to 2023 13.17%, and January 2000 to 2023 10.52% per annum. Long-term returns would have been better if SCP was done regularly every month, since business performance was improving but stock price was consolidating. Now coming to the second stock, and that is Reliance Industries. December 2009, the rate was 490. January 2017, for a long period, 490. Consolidation, 7 plus years. Today, October 2023, the rate is 2300 plus Geo Financials 214 comes to 2540. Now Reliance Industries financials in front of you. March 2010 net profit 16,236 crores. March 2011 20,286 crores. March 2012 20,040 crores. 13 21,003 crores. 14 21,984 crores. 15 22,719 crores. 16 27,417 crores, and March 2017 31,425 crores. Now Reliance Industries stock returns 2010 to 2016 0% per annum, 2017 to 2023 23.11% per annum, 2010 to 2023 13.59% per annum, January 2000 to 2023 17.25% per annum. Here is an announcement. There is a free webinar and the topic is how to create massive passive income from stock market. I hope you know what is passive income and what is active income. Passive income is when you are sleeping, you are getting some money. Whereas active income is an active participation you do in earning some money, like going to office and running the business. And in the workshop, we are going to teach you how to get a massive passive income from stock markets, and it's happening on Sunday, 22nd October, 10 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates did not attend, and the seats are absolutely limited. To the first 150 people who are coming on first come, first serve basis. What are you going to learn in this webinar? Understanding the profitability of stock markets. Many people don't understand the profitability. They think stock market is equivalent to complete loss or chaos. And you will get a clear idea in this webinar about how profitable the stock market is over the years, yearly, and for the consolidated period of 23 years or so. Second topic is how to design pension income. In case you want to get a pension of 50,000 to 1 lakh, how to go about it and when to start it. and all details will be told about that. Next, how to make children education and marriage free. Very, very interesting topic, very, very useful because the children education and marriage becomes absolutely free. And the next one is how to create huge wealth for retirement. Now, how to join our webinar is very simple. Send an email to successdigest@gmail.com and the subject is stock market webinar and write your name and mobile number. And the webinar is going to happen in Canada. I hope on Sunday you will turn up and take the benefit of this wonderful webinar because whoever attended, they have told us that by not taking the webinar, by postponing, they have lost a lot of things in their life. Now coming to ITC stocks. September 2013, the rate is 236 and March 2022, the rate is 236. Consolidation for nearly 8 years and today, October 2023 is running at 438, having reached 500 once. Now ITC financials, March 2013, 7,704 is a net profit. 14, 9,001 crores. 15, 9,779 crores. 16, 9,501 crores. 17, 10,477 crores. 18, 11,493 crores. Going further, 19, 12,836 crores. 2020, 15,593 crores. 21, 13,383 crores. 2022, 15,503 crores, and see the total revenue also simultaneously going up exactly the way the net profit was going on. Now ITC stock returns 2014 to 2021 0% per annum, 2022 to 2023 46.31%, 2014 to 2023 5.87%, January 2000 to 2023 14.97% per annum. Now coming to the last stocks, and that's the fourth one is HDFC Bank. December 2020 1400, October 2023 1523, consolidation happening for the last 3 years continuously. Now the financials for comparison. March 2020 net profit 27,296 crores. 2021 31,857 crores. 2022 38,151 crores. 2023 46,149 crores. Though the net profit and the total revenue is disproportionately going up, the stock is almost unchanged, and this is called consolidation. If there is a breakout and that is a positive breakout, then you can suddenly see the stock going up. The rule of 80-20, and in 20% time it may appreciate 80% of the rate. Now HDFC Bank stock returns 2021 to 23 3.02% per annum. January 2000 to 2023 20.76% per annum. Similarly, check the graphs of ICICI Bank, Titan or many other leading companies. You will notice that although they have given good returns in the long term, their stock price have consolidated for a few years sometime in the middle. Consolidation may happen for many reasons such as 1. Waiting for merger to complete, 2. High returns in the previous years, and 3rd one is negative sentiment towards company. In technical analysis, there is a belief that longer is the consolidation of stock, the more is the movement after a breakout from the range. So keep this in mind whenever any stock with good fundamentals is consolidating in price. At the end of the video, here is a question. Do you hold any stock which is consolidating right now? Type the name of the stock in the comment section. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.